you take out your max classwork note and turn the new page and write today's date 21/10/20 and write today's day Wednesday WEDNESDAY and this month October OCTOBER October. After that first Roman letter mental sums and write the numbers from 1 to 5. Okay. Students, all of you start write the first mental sum. And I have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each face of mine is rectangular in shape. Who am I? Again I'll tell. I have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each face of mine is rectangular in shape. Who am I? The second question. A notebook has a dash surface. A notebook has a dash surface. And the third one. An egg has a dash surface. An egg has a dash surface. The fourth question. What is the shape of a dice? What is the shape of the dice? And the fifth one. 5,500 minus 100. 5,500 minus 100. Have all finished, students? Very good, students. And all of you check out your mental sums answer. And the first one, I have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each face of mine is rectangular in shape. Who am I? So rectangular, 6 faces means cuboid, isn't it? Of course it is cuboid. And a notebook has dash. So notebook, how is it? Yes, this is the notebook, isn't it? So this is plane shape. This is plane shape. So you should write the plane, Plane, plane shape, plane surface. And egg has a dash surface. Egg, how is it shape? Yes. So egg is the curved surface, isn't it? Curved surface. In notebook, plane surface. In egg, an egg has curved surface. You should write the curved, CURVED, curved. And the fourth one, what is the shape of a dice? What is the shape of a dice? So always dice is a cube shape, isn't it? Here one surface is like a square, isn't it? So it is cube. And after that, last question, 5,500 minus 100. So the answer is 5,400. How many of them got full mark? It's very good, students. Students, what is subtraction? Yes, subtraction is take away, isn't it? Subtraction is take away. Okay. And this is 73 minus 21. Immediately you should write the ones, tens, ones, tens. So ones, tens, put the box. 70 dot line also. 73, 21. Put the minus symbol. So minus means you have to count the backward counting. Okay. So 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 3 before 2. So answer 2. So and 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 before 6, 5. So answer 52. And this is we already studied in the previous class, isn't it? Yes, very good. Okay. In the previous class, we studied without borrowing. And today, we are going to study about with borrowing. Okay. Immediately, when the sum given, immediately you should write the ones, tens. That is place, ones, tens. So, ones, tens. Okay. Put the box, put the dot line. And first number, 43. The second number, 27. Okay, here first of all you have to find how many ones are there. In the first number, 3 ones are there, isn't it? And 4 tens. How many tens? 4 tens. Here 4 into tens, isn't it? 4 tens are there, isn't it? And here 7 ones. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens are there. Okay. Okay, just you have to remind that. Okay. And first of all, listen, 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. Okay, listen. 3 in the mind. How you say write the 7? 3 is the smallest number, 7 in the biggest number. So we can't able to subtract from 3 to 7, isn't it? From 3 to 7 we can't able to subtract, isn't it? So we have to borrow. So we have to borrow from the nearest one, from the nearest place. Here 4 tens. How many tens? 4 tens. We have to borrow only one. Only one means 1 10. Here 4 tens. We borrow only one. That means 1 10. And 1 10. 1 10 means 10 plus 3, 13, isn't it? So then you cut the 3 and write the 1 before. 13. And before that you should write the before number. You should write in the where we borrow. We should write the before number. We give the one number. So you have to write the before number. That is 3. Okay. And wait. And you have to write in the dotted line. Okay. And here also should write in the dotted line. Okay. You cut the both numbers. And here 13 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So answer 6. Here, first of all, you have to find out where is the greatest number. Where is the greatest number? Below or above? Above means you have to subtract directly. So you should here above the greatest number. 3 is greatest number or 2 is greatest number? So 3. 3 is the above. So above means you have to subtract directly. So 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. So the answer is, okay, next sum 3 digit with 3 digit. Okay. Immediately you have to write the ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. And put the box ones, tens, hundreds. And draw the dotted line also. And the first number 526. And the second number 347. And close out the box and put the minus symbol. So the first you have to search where is the greatest number. So where is the greatest number? Here 6 is above and 7 is the below. So 6 greatest number or 7 greatest number? 7, isn't it? So 7 is in the below. So below the greatest number, isn't it? So you have to, below means you should borrow from the nearest one. So when you borrow, where you borrow means you have to cut immediately and write the before number. And next, where you give, you should give the one before the one, right before the already they give a number. Okay, that is we got, now you got the 16. So 16 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 16 before. Why you count the before? This is subtraction. So you should count before, backward counting. So 16 before, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 9. And the next. Again you have to find where is the greatest number. Above, 1 is above, 4 is below. 1 is greatest number or 4 is greatest number? Yes, below number is greatest number. So, below means you have to borrow from the nearest number. Where you borrow, you should cut, immediately cut and write the before number. 5 before number 4. Immediately, first of all, you cut the before number. After that, you add the next number. Then only your sum is correct. Then, after that, you have to add the one before already given number. So, now you got the 11. Now you got the 11. So, 11 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 in the finger. 11 before, 10, 9, 8, 7. So, answer 7. Again, you find out where is the greatest number. 4 is above number, 3 is below number. Where is the greatest number? Yes, above. Above means you have to subtract directly. So, 4 minus 3, 1. So, answer 179, ones, tens, hundreds. Next, we are going to see about 4-digit numbers. Immediately, you should write the place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So write the and draw the place box. And put the dot line also. And first number 7025. And the second number, point out with your another finger and write the number correctly, 3547. And close out the box. Put the minus symbol. First of all, you search where is the greatest number. Here 5 and below 7. So where is the greatest number, 5 or 7? Above or below? Below. Below means you should borrow from the nearest one. So you have to borrow means you cut the before you cut the number and write the before number. And next you have to add the already they given number 5 before 1. So now you got the 15. So 15 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So 15 before. Why you count the before number? Because this is subtraction. So subtraction counting is backward. So you have to count the backward counting, that is before counting. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So answer 8. Here again you should find out where is the greatest number. 1 is above and 4 is below. 1 is the greatest number or 4 is the greatest number? Yes, 4 is the greatest number. So below is the greatest number. Below means you have to borrow the from nearest one. Here 0, there is no number. Here no number. So you have to again another nearest number. Another nearest number from 1000. So here you cut the number immediately and write the before number. So next you should give one number. You cut and write the one before number. That is now you got the 10. Here now got the 10. Now you give the one number to the tens. So again you cut the number 9 and here 1. So now you got the 11. Okay, again I'll tell, listen carefully. Here 0. So here below the number is greatest number. So you should borrow from the nearest number. In the nearest number place, there is no number. There is no number. So we can't able to borrow any number, isn't it? Because there is no number. So you have to borrow from another nearest number. So other nearest number is 7. So 7 in the 1000 place. So you should borrow, give the 1. So immediately you cut the number and write the before number first of all. And then you give the number, then add the 0 before 1. So now you got the 10. You now got the 10. Now you give the 1 to 10's place. So you cut again 9. Before 10, before number 9. Now you give the 1, the next place of 10. Okay, the before place of 10. So that is now you got the number 11. So 11 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 11 before 10, 9, 8, 7. And next, where is the greatest number, 9 or 5? Yes, above is the greatest number. Above means you have to subtract directly. So 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4. And here 6. Where is the greatest number? Above. Above means you have to directly subtract. Okay. So 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 before, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3478 ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Have you understood thoroughly? Yes, very good. Students, all of you take out your maths classwork note and turn the next page, second Roman letter, 2, 3, 4 digits with borrowing. Okay. And digits. You should write the digits. And first number, when your number given, immediately you should write the place. Ones, tens, and write the number 62 in the correct place. Okay, 6 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 7 in the ones place. And you should find out where is the greatest number. Where is the greatest number? Yes, here. Below or above? 2 is greatest number, 2 is in the top above number, and 7 is the below number. Which is the greatest number? 7. Below. Isn't it? Below means you have to borrow. Borrow. When you borrow, you should cut and write the before number. Okay, cut and write the before number. Then you should give the 1 before 1. Why you write the 12? Why you write the 12? Yes, because here 110 is given to the ones place. 110 is given to the 2. Isn't it? So 10 plus 2 means 12. So you should got the 12. So 12 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 12 before 11, 10, 9. Say again all of you. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So answer 5. So here again you have to check out where is the greatest number, above or below. So above the greatest number. Above means you should write the subtract the directly. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 5 before, 4, 3. So answer 3. 35 ones tens. And the second one, when the number given, immediately you should write the place. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So here again write the number correctly and put the minus symbol. Minus symbol. And for 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So where is the greatest number? First of all, check the where is the greatest number. Yes, above. Above means directly. So 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 6 before, 5, 4, 3, 2. So answer 2. Here again check up there. Where is the greatest number? 6 is the above number. 9 is the below number. Above number 6 is greatest number. Below 9 is greatest number. Yes, below 9 is greatest number. So you have to borrow from the nearest one. So you have to cut the 8 and put the before number. And here cut the 6. 6 before 1. So you got the number 16, isn't it? So 16 in the mind, 9 in the finger. So 16 before, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So answer 7. Again you have to check you should check where is the greatest number. 7 is the greatest number or 3 is the greatest number? Yes, 7. So above number is the greatest number. So above means you should write subtract directly. So 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 7 before, 6, 5, 4. So answer 4. 4,472 ones, tens, 100. And the next one. And immediately you should write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And put the minus symbol. And here you should check where is the greatest number. Below is the greatest number. Below means you cut you have to borrow. Borrow means you should write the below number, before number. And you cut here also 15. So 15 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So answer 8. So here where is the greatest number? Below is the greatest number. So you should borrow from the nearest one. Borrow means you cut the number and write the before number. And here you should write the before one. So you got the number 11. So 11 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 11 before, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3. Here where is the greatest number? Below or above? Above. So above means you should subtract directly. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 6 before, 5, 4. So answer 4. And here where is the greatest number? Above means you should subtract directly. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 before, 4, 3, 2. So answer 2438 ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And the last sum. So immediately you should write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And here, and where is the greatest number? Below means you should borrow from the nearest one. When you borrow, immediately you cut the number, write the before number. Here you should write the one before the already they give a number. So you got the number 17. So 17 in the mind, 9 in the finger. So 17 before, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So answer 8. So where is the great? Each time, each place, when you subtract each place, you have to mind that. You have to remind where is the greatest number. Okay, you should ask them yourself. So that is where is the greatest number? Here above. Above means you should subtract directly. So 8 minus 1, 7. And here where is the greatest number? So below means you should borrow means you cut the number, write the before number, and here you cut 1 before, already they give a number, so you got the number 10. So 10 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And the next one, 5 in the where is the greatest number? Above means you should subtract directly. So 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 5 before, 4, 3, 2, 1. So answer 1. 1, 2, 1278, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, that's all. I hope you all are thorough in the borrowing sum also. Okay, thank you. All of you students, all of you take out page number 39 main max book and turn the page number 39 and see the exercise number 3, and you should finish the from A to L and turn the next page 40 page, and you should finish the from A to L in the exercise number 4. Okay, this is assignment work, and I'm not giving the 4th digit because today you have to the Viva test, no? So you should study thoroughly for the Viva test, and you should finish the assignment work 40 page and also 39th page. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next class.